Cohen, where are we?
We're at Family Farm.
Family Farm, the pumpkin patch, right?
Yeah.
So you've been here before?
Yes.
You came here for summer camp during the summer, didn't you?
Yes.
But now we're here for the pumpkin patch. You excited?
Yes.
Sissy, are you excited? Hi, Sissy.
I'm a cowgirl.
You are. There's Bubba.
Stop.
I see you. You can do it? Good try. Look at them all. So fun! So fun.
Oh, too far.
Yeah.
Oh, he just bounced in and back out.
Well, you got one in.
Oh, did he?
What are we waiting on?
Cohen and Dad to do a zip line.
Cohen, how was it?
Great!
It's Daddy's turn now. So Cohen, that was so fun?
Yes!
You've done that before, huh? At Family Farm.
I'm going again.
How was it?
It was fun. Exciting.
Yeah!
We've got Cohen another one. He don't have to wait though since he already paid.
Oh, cool.
I'm gonna go down from here again.
All right.
Lydia, let me see. You love it? Pretty. You're so cute.
Got one!
Got one? Let me see. Were they hard to catch?
Yep.
No, like that. You're gonna hurt his wing. I need you to just hold your hand out like that, and I'll set it in there.
It's a cute kitty, huh? Olivia, got the kitty cat again?
Oh, look what Bubba's got.
It's a giant bunny.
I don't want that big bunny.
You don't want that big bunny? You want to find it? Holding it in her shirt pocket.
So cute.
belly. There you go.
You got it, Sissy? Can I see? Look at how cute. Such a cute little bunny.
Like a parrot.
Mommy!
I'm gonna go on my shoulder.
This is Daddy versus a baby. What is that? A baby chicken? Oh. Got a big bunny, Cohen? He's very relaxed. He likes you a lot. All right, good job, buddy. Yeah, that was exciting. You did it.
This is gonna be so much fun, Mom.
Gonna be so fun.
Watch us.
Yes, I'm gonna watch you, of course.
Put it up way in the air. Way up, way up, way up. Now let me hear you say, woo! Alright, everybody wave goodbye. We're getting out of here. Okay, bye. Adios, sayonara. See you later.
Mom, you're gonna miss me. Bye, Mom.
Bye. You excited about the hayride?